Welcome to this quick training on usBIM.checker. usBIM.checker is an essential integrated service in usBIM that checks BIM files in the IFC format. Its purpose is to control and validate the information of a BIM model to ensure it meets project requirements and contract specifications. Verifying an IFC model involves analyzing the properties of various entities to ensure they contain the required information. usBIM.checker plays a fundamental role in the verification phase of an IFC model. In summary, usBIM.checker allows you to verify the existence of object properties, view and control property values, verify the accuracy of the values, generate and export property control templates, create a congruence report between properties and values in the IFC file. Now, let's delve into the application's characteristics. usBIM.checker is integrated into the BIM management platform usBIM and is part of the family of editable formats. It facilitates collaboration between all parties involved in the BIM process. This service effectively handles complex IFC models, analyzing the objects within and certifying the correctness and presence of requested information. It also verifies information consistency based on criteria, such as those outlined in the information specifications. The operational workflow of usBIM.checker consists of 3 macro phases: planning of activities and procedures, execution of controls and verification, control and correction of detected problems. Each phase is further subdivided into subphases: definition of rules, federation of models, parameter settings, model checking, check management, verification report. In the planning phase, you establish verification rules and reference values to be respected. Checks can be performed on individual models or federated IFC models. First, you create a filter to select the objects for verification, then define the rules that these objects must comply with. After setting up the controls, you initiate the calculation to analyze the data correctness and object properties. The usBIM.checker interface offers tools to manage detected inconsistencies, allowing you to update their status and take necessary actions. The final step involves analyzing the results to verify the presence of any problems. You can export a report to communicate the verification results to relevant stakeholders. usBIM.checker operates on the IFC Open Standard, ensuring interoperability and easy collaboration. The application can produce result reports in various formats, including the BCF standard, which is open and interoperable. The produced report can aid in problem solving and can be managed using the usBIM Resolver application for issue tracking and resolution. Now, let's learn how to effectively use usBIM.checker. Create a new usBIM.checker document and import the IFC model. Define a selection group containing the main node of the service, divided into 3 sections: the requirements list, the object selection filters, and the property controls. The requirements list allows you to set the number of actions to be performed on the analyzed models. The object selection filters let you specify filter criteria for objects in the models to be verified, with mandatory fields for attribute, operator, and value. Once objects are selected using filters, you can set controls on their properties. The property controls define the list of properties to be checked during model checking concerning their presence and the filtered object selection. The fields differ only in the first part, where filters have the attribute field, and controls have the note field. After configuring the objects, set, operator, and property values in the property controls, you can proceed with the verification. The calculation is triggered when the selection group is closed. In the central panel, you can find a list of all performed checks with their results and coherence investigation details. You can view the objects based on their associated colors and manage the model scene by applying transparencies, color schemes, and views. You can customize the reading of the result by filtering the report table's columns. The verification outcome can be exported to BCF, CSV, and Excel formats to facilitate the workflow. Remember, usBIM.checker supports the IFC Open Standard and allows for the import and export of verification reports at any time.